In this lesson, I'm going to be going over how to get started with creating social media videos in Canva. These are going to be custom videos for different social media platforms. And let's go ahead and switch over to videos. I am on the home page here. I'm going to switch over to videos. And as you can see here, the first option is going to be how to create a video from scratch, which I'm going to cover in a different lesson. But in this lesson, I want to show you some of these cool templates that you can use that are related to other social media platforms, right? As you can see, we have a mobile video, just a general mobile video. Now we also have a Facebook video, which is going to be a 1080 by 1080. That's a square video. Also have an Instagram reel, TikTok, YouTube video. You can literally go from here. If you don't know the measurements of the social media platform that you're going to be posting the video to, you can start from these templates here. You have a video, YouTube video ad. You have so many cool things here that you can do. And there's also a bunch of templates that you can find here on the bottom. So you have a podcast type of template. You have so many things that you can do. These are just regular videos, and you have mobile videos, Facebook videos, Instagram reels, TikTok videos. Now let's go ahead and I want to show you a good example here. I'm going to pick one of these templates here. Let's pick the TikTok video. Okay, I'm going to select that. All right, so now we have our template. This is going to be the TikTok size video. Okay, now if I was going to pick one of these videos, maybe you have your own video that you want to use, or you can pick any of these. Let me go ahead and pick this one here. Okay, I'm going to pick this video. Now it's been added to my template here. Now, one of the cool things I could do here is you can even make the duration shorter. You can make it longer, right? You can make this longer here by dragging here. Okay. Now, once you're done with this, you can go ahead and share. And you have the ability to post to a social media platform here where you can hit share on social, and you have all these different options here. So you have Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Facebook group, TikTok, Facebook story, Pinterest, so many options that you can pick from. Or you can go ahead and download your video by selecting download here. As you can see, it's going to download an MP4 video. Now, if you hit this drop down here, you're going to see that there are other options, but MP4 is the suggested setting to download this video. You also have the quality of the video here. As you can see, this is a 1080p, which is an HD video. Now, you'll have the ability to increase this all the way up to 4K, which is Ultra HD for large screens. Okay, we'll go back to 1080p. This is going to work for almost all platforms. You can't go wrong with 1080p. Now, you can do the same thing. If we go back to home here, you can see that there are other options. If I hit YouTube video, you can see that the regular size YouTube video is 1920 by 1080p. You can look at a YouTube ad, same thing here, right? You also have a mobile video here. Let's go here. You can look at LinkedIn ad. So you see it's a little different here. Pinterest video pin. This is a little different, obviously. Okay. Now you can pick any of these options here to get started. Facebook videos, click on that. And if you have your own videos, you can go to over to where is it at? You can go to uploads, right? And you can upload your own videos here. As you can see, I have some videos that I have uploaded here that I can add to this.
Be able to start.
Go ahead and pause that. Now these are going to be the videos that I'm going to be able to add to this if this is what I was trying to add. Okay. Now that is how you can add your own actual videos, and I know I'm using the video that are provided in Canva because I'm not using any of my videos, but you can add your own videos here. So if you've recorded a video, you're gonna be able to go to uploads and upload that video, and you can add that video to your template. And once you add it, you can actually resize the video in order to fit the template that you have. Sometimes you might have to crop it out if the video is in 1920 by 1080 and you're trying to fit the video in a 1080 by 1920. You might have to crop some things out. So if I wanted to crop this video, I'll just click on crop here, and you are going to be able to do a freeform crop, which is going to allow you to adjust these sizes without keeping in an aspect ratio. But if I do 1 by 1, that means it's going to keep that 1 by 1 aspect ratio as I crop this video here. Okay, once you're done, go ahead and hit done. There you go. Now that is pretty much it when it comes to getting started with editing videos for social media in Canva. It makes it really, really easy to get started. Okay. Now that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next lesson.